Hey there, crypto newbies! Welcome to 5 main crypto terms in 5 minutes. Today we're diving into the basics to help you get started on your crypto journey. Ready? Let's go. First up, blockchain. Think of blockchain as a digital ledger or a record book. It's where all transactions are recorded and verified. This ledger is decentralized, meaning it's maintained by a network of computers, not a single central authority. Each block in the chain contains a bunch of transactions, and once a block is added, it's almost impossible to alter. Pretty cool, right? Next, let's talk about cryptocurrency. Simply put, a cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional money, it's decentralized and operates on blockchain technology. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin are just a few examples. They can be used to buy things, invest, or even trade. Now on to wallets. In the crypto world, a wallet isn't a physical thing like you might be used to. It's a digital tool that lets you store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies. There are two main types: hot wallets, which are online and convenient for daily use, and cold wallets, which are offline and offer extra security for long-term storage. Private and public keys might sound technical, but they're crucial. Your public key is like your bank account number. It's what people use to send you crypto. The private key, however, is like a password. It's what you use to access and manage your funds. Keep that private key safe and secret. If someone else gets it, they can access your crypto. Lastly, let's cover mining. Mining is the process by which new cryptocurrency coins are created and transactions are verified. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems. When they succeed, they're rewarded with new coins and transaction fees. It's a crucial part of many cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin. And that's a wrap! We've covered blockchain, cryptocurrency, wallets, private and public keys, and mining. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more crypto content. Got questions or terms you want us to cover? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, happy crypto exploring.